Good morning, everyone. It rained past few days, so today is a very gloomy morning, but I love it like that. I brought my coffee here. I think you can hear the sounds of the birds. It's really relaxing and refreshing to hear these natural soothing sounds in the morning. It is around 7:30 in the morning, but it is gloomy and the surroundings don't seem busy. You see my hot mug of coffee. The steam is still coming from that. It is very gloomy. It will rain today also. I like that because I'm sorry. We had a drought for more than 2 months. See, the plants died even though I watered them every day. We even had water cut interruptions. Water supply interruptions. Excuse my English. Well, it is not very soothing when the dogs are barking. One of my cats are there. Oh my gosh, she is gone. Now I will have to end the vlog because she's a chatterbox.